Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on filter comments on my pin on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click social permissions, and here as you see you'll find filter comments on my pins. Just click on it and this will be turned on. Here you can add words or phrases. Click save, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.